How to buy Aimonica token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check their X accounts and keep following their update about this token. So this token, as you can see, it's available on the screener. So this token, as you can see here, guys, it's increased by 9 million% in the last 24 hours. And as you can see, the liquidity here are locked by 100%. That's good. It's mean your investment in the safe place. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here, and remember this token address came under the Solana network. Now, so that's open your Phantom wallet. Click on swap here, and make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now, after that, click here and paste the token address. So this is our token. As you can see, click on it. Now, after that, type how much you want to buy. As you can see, this is how much you will receive. Now in the provider, select your provider. For example, I will select your picture. After that, make sure to read all of that information here. I click on swap, and after that you will be able to redirect it to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Aimonica token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.